Welcome to the Silicon Fox podcast, where we explore the habits and stories of high performers. Join us as we dive into their journeys, analyze live blood tests, and break down the science behind key biomarkers to help you optimize your health. I'm your host, Mitchell Eschner, an ex-pro soccer player, a current sponsored hybrid athlete, a health tech founder, and a longevity enthusiast. Today, we're exploring bilirubin, a compound in your body that could be the secret weapon for better performance, faster recovery, and even longer life. While you might have seen this term on blood tests, few people understand how this substance can significantly impact your athletic performance and overall health. So, what exactly is bilirubin? Bilirubin is a substance created when your body breaks down old red blood cells. The primary component of red blood cells is hemoglobin, the protein that carries oxygen throughout your body. During the recycling process, the heme portion of hemoglobin is converted into bilirubin via multiple reactions. But at this stage, bilirubin is still in its what is referred to as unconjugated form. Bilirubin is a fat soluble, but the bloodstream is water soluble. This creates a transportation problem. For bilirubin to be able to move through the body, it must bind to a protein called albumin, which safely guides bilirubin through the bloodstream. This transportation system is essential because while unconjugated bilirubin levels serve important functions, it can be toxic if it accumulates in your body. This is particularly evident in some newborns. It is quite common for babies to develop a condition known as jaundice, that yellowish discoloration of the skin and eyes that parents know to watch out for. This occurs when bilirubin builds up faster than the developing liver of a newborn can process it, but oftentimes it goes away with minimal intervention as the baby grows. Albumin carries bilirubin to the liver where it undergoes further transformation. Liver cells attach sugar molecules to bilirubin, changing bilirubin into its conjugated form. The sugar molecules make bilirubin water-soluble and capable of being excreted from the body. This newly conjugated bilirubin becomes part of a complex fluid called bile. Bile serves multiple purposes in your body, with its primary role being to help break down and absorb dietary fats in your intestines. The bile containing conjugated bilirubin travels through a network of tiny tubes called bile ducts until it reaches your intestines, where bilirubin is further processed into the compound that gives stool and urine their respective colors, and is eventually excreted with your waste. Now, just to recap and make sure you're still with me, bilirubin comes from broken down red blood cells. It is then processed in the liver and intestines, and eventually it leaves your body through bile and waste. When the process of breaking down and excreting bilirubin doesn't function properly, it can lead to various health issues. High levels of unconjugated bilirubin may occur if the liver becomes overwhelmed, as seen in conditions like hemolytic anemia, where red blood cells break down at an accelerated rate. On the other hand, elevated levels of conjugated bilirubin can result in blockages in the bile ducts, such as those caused by gallstones or certain liver diseases. These disruptions highlight the importance of a well-functioning bilirubin metabolism for overall health. For decades, medical science viewed bilirubin primarily as a waste product, something to be monitored mainly for signs of liver or blood disorders. But here's the game changer. Research over the past 20 years has revealed that bilirubin is far more than just waste. It's a powerful biological compound with remarkable properties. The first is bilirubin's antioxidant capabilities. A 2018 Korean study of nearly 9,000 patients followed over 8 years found people with higher bilirubin levels, yet still within the normal range, had significantly lower risks of heart disease and related death. They also had lower rates of metabolic syndrome, conditions like high blood pressure and excess abdominal fat that can derail your health and performance. For athletes and fitness enthusiasts, this is huge. Every time you push your body through intense training, you generate oxidative stress. While some of the stress is necessary to trigger fitness adaptations, too much can lead to excessive inflammation, slow recovery, and decreased performance. Bilirubin is the one that helps counteract these effects, potentially allowing you to recover faster and sustain higher training levels. Even more intriguing is the bidirectional relationship between exercise and bilirubin. A comprehensive 2023 review revealed that not only does bilirubin increase exercise outcomes, but exercise itself affects the bilirubin levels. Regular aerobic activity has been shown to temporarily increase bilirubin levels, and athletes consistently demonstrate higher baseline bilirubin compared to sedentary individuals. This suggests a mutually beneficial relationship, where exercise boosts bilirubin production and higher bilirubin levels support better exercise adaptation and recovery. Some people are born with a genetic syndrome called Gilbert's syndrome, which naturally elevates their bilirubin levels due to reduced ability to conjugate bilirubin in the liver. While this was once considered a mild disorder, research now indicates these individuals may actually have health advantages, including better cardiovascular outcomes, reduced oxidative stress, and potentially enhanced athletic performance. It's a fascinating example of how something once viewed as a mild dysfunction may actually confer evolutionary advantages. So how can you apply this knowledge to optimize your health and performance? While you can't directly control your bilirubin levels, you can certainly support the systems that influence bilirubin production and metabolism. First and foremost, liver health is paramount. Your liver is central to bilirubin processing, so supporting this vital organ makes sense. This means limiting alcohol consumption, reducing intake of processed foods and added sugars, and embracing a nutrient-dense diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables. Certain foods have been shown to support liver function, including vegetables like broccoli and Brussels sprouts, garlic, turmeric, and leafy greens. Regular exercise, particularly a combination of aerobic and resistance training, appears to optimize bilirubin's benefits. Proper hydration is also crucial, as it supports bile production and the efficient excretion of conjugated bilirubin. For those particularly interested in optimizing their biochemistry, regular blood testing can provide valuable insights. Cyfox Health offers a multi-biomarker test that covers a wide variety of biomarkers, one of which is bilirubin. The test kit is sent right to your door, making the whole process incredibly convenient. The kit walks you through step-by-step instructions of how to take the sample and ship it out. After a few days, you'll be able to see your levels on the online portal, which will be supplemented with individualized actionable insights and health steps going forward. Use code SiliconFox20 for 20% off your kit. While we still have much to learn about bilirubin's role in human health, the emerging research paints a picture of a remarkably versatile and beneficial compound that deserves our attention. What was once dismissed as merely as a waste product turns out to be a powerful ally in our pursuit of health, performance, and longevity. I hope this explanation of bilirubin has shown you even how something seemingly minor biochemical process can have profound impacts on our well-being. By understanding and supporting your body's natural symptoms, you gain powerful tools to enhance your health journey. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you've gained some insight into this biomarker. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to subscribe and share it with others who might benefit. And as always, I encourage you to take charge of your health by staying informed and being proactive about your body signals. Thank you, and we'll see you next time on the Silicon Fox podcast.